Good morning, students. Today in accountancy class, we are going to discuss about workman compensation reserve in the chapter admission of a partner. We will pass the journal entries and take a numerical question regarding workman compensation reserve. First of all, the meaning of workman compensation reserve. Workman compensation reserve is created for the welfare of workmen if they get accident or any damage in while working in organization, then they get the claim for that loss to them. So workman compensation reserve is created out of firm's profit to pay compensation to employees. At the time of admission of a partner, it is treated as follows. There are different cases. We will take the 4 cases today. When there is no claim, and when there is claim is less than the reserve, and when claim is equal to reserve, and claim is more than the available reserve. First of all, we will take the when there is no claim. In such a case, the entire amount of workman compensation reserve is credited to capital accounts of all partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit to partners capital. And narration is being workman compensation reserve credited to all partners capital account in old ratio. It should be noted here that reserve will be credited in old ratio and among all partners. Now we will take the second case when claim is less than the amount of reserve. In above case there was no claim. It means if there is a reserve of 50,000, then full reserve will be transferred to all partners capital account. And when there is a claim which is less than the amount of reserve, at that time the amount of claim is credited to provision for workman compensation claim account. Where will we credit it? It will be credited to provision for workman compensation claim account, and balance is credited to old partners capital account. So entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit to provision for workman compensation claim. Suppose if reserve is available for about 60,000 and claim is for 40,000, then we will write 40,000 in provision for workman compensation claim, and the surplus we will transfer to the partners capital account. So entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit to provision for workman compensation claim account to all partners capital account. Now third case, when the claim is equal to workman compensation reserve. First case was for no claim, second was for less amount, and third is for when amount is equal. Suppose we have the reserve of 60,000, then claim is also 60,000, then we will pass the journal entry in this way: workman compensation reserve account debit to provision for workman compensation claim, because full amount is claimed here, so only this entry will be passed, being provision is made for workman's claim. Now we will take the fourth case. If claim is more than the amount of workman compensation reserve, at that time we have to pass the journal entry to revaluation account, because amount is more than the amount of workman compensation reserve. Suppose if we have the 60,000 available in reserve and the claim is for 80,000, then it is more than for 20,000 extra we have to pay, and this will be go from the revaluation account. Clear? So entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit, revaluation account debit, to provision for workman compensation claim account. Amount of claim debited to workman compensation reserve and revaluation account. It should be noted here because claim is more than the amount of reserve. So extra amount will be debited through revaluation account. And in this case, second entry will be partners capital account to revaluation account. Loss on revaluation will be transferred to capital account of all partners in all profit sharing ratio. So this is all about the different cases when workman compensation reserve is there. There can be no claim. Then we have to just pass the journal entry to transfer the amount to partners capital account. And when there is claim but less than the reserve, then the extra amount will be transferred to partners capital account, and the claim amount will be transferred to provision for workman compensation claim. And third case was when equal amount was claimed, then entry will be simple: workman compensation reserve account debit to provision for workman compensation claim. Then we have taken the fourth case. In that the entry will be go through the revaluation account because amount claim is more than the amount of workman compensation reserve. To understand all this concept, we will take an example. Ankita, Jia, Arsh are partners in a firm. Profit sharing ratio 2:3:5. They admitted Sandeep as a new partner for 1/4 share. The position of balance sheet shows workman compensation reserve is rupees 1 lakh. State the accounting treatment under following cases. So we have given with the balance of workman compensation reserve, and there are three partners: Ankita, Jia and Arsh. Their profit sharing ratio is 2:3:5, and Sandeep is the new partner. So we have to make the accounting treatment for workman compensation reserve at the time of admission of a new partner. So what are those cases? When there is no claim, when claim is estimated at 50,000, when claim is estimated at 1 lakh, and when claim is estimated at 1,20,000. So in this question we are given with the 1 lakh reserve and ratio is given as 2:3:5. So we will take first case 1, when there is no claim. So entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit with 1 lakh, and this amount will be transferred to old partners capital account in old ratio, to Ankita's capital, to Jia's capital and to Arsh capital. It will be distributed as 20,000, 30,000 and 50,000. So this is a simple entry as we have done in case of accumulated profit. So workman compensation reserve is also one of the accumulated profit, we can say. Then we will take second case. For second case, when claim is estimated as 50,000. So now here claim is 50,000 and compensation reserve is for rupees 1 lakh. So extra amount of 50,000, or we can say the surplus amount of 50,000, will be transferred to old partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio, that is 2:3:5. So entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit with 1 lakh to provision for workman compensation claim, which is given as 50,000. We will write here 50,000 to Ankita's capital, to Jia's capital, to Arsh capital. It is divided into their old profit sharing ratio, and it comes as this: rupees 10,000 in Ankita's capital, rupees 15,000 in Jia's capital, and rupees 25,000 in Arsh capital. So now we will take the third case. When claim is estimated at rupees 1 lakh, because we have the compensation reserve available for rupees 1 lakh only, and as claim is also for 1 lakh, then entry will be simple: workman compensation reserve account debit with 1 lakh to provision for workman compensation claim. Now we will take fourth case, when claim is estimated at rupees 1,20,000. What does it mean? Means we have workman compensation reserve of rupees 1 lakh available in our books, but claim is for rupees 1,20,000. So we have to pay 20,000 extra, and that will be paid through the revaluation account. So entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit with 1 lakh and revaluation account debit with 20,000 to provision for workman compensation claim. It will come as 1,20,000. So students, this is clear. When claim is more than the available reserve, then we have to pass the entry through revaluation account. The available amount will be transferred from workman compensation reserve, and extra amount or the deficiency in the claim, that will be given through revaluation account. And this is a loss for the firm, and this will be distributed among all partners in their all profit sharing ratio. Because we are taking just workman compensation reserve, so we have to pass the journal entry for revaluation loss also. That will be Ankita's capital account debit with Ankita's capital account debit, Jia's capital account debit, Arsh capital account debit to revaluation account 20,000, which will be distributed in their odd profit sharing ratio. That will come as 4,000 in Ankita's capital, Jia 6,000, and Arsh capital will be debited by 10,000. So students, this is all about the workman compensation reserve. Such kind of entries can be there in your question, and this is also a part of your essay type question of admission of a partner. Thank you. That's all for today.